All right, here we go. Second take at this because the first one lagged too much. Steps on how to do the annoying things. Part 1, how to make a PDF of your code. Step 1, open your project in Code Studio. Done. Got my project open in Code Studio. 2, open Code Print website. So click on this. What just happened? What? Okay. Whatever. Ignore the, okay. Code Print website opened. Great. Copy your code into the Code Print website. Easiest way, show text, Control A, copy paste. Let's do it. Okay, show text. I'm going through this fast because you know you can pause these and rewind these. Control A, I'm going to copy it, or I could Control C, and now I'm going to paste it. Nice. Now it looks cool down here. All right. Step 4, name your project, create task code. Create task code in my project title. Oh yeah, create task code. Find your algorithm function. That's what an algorithm is. Algorithm function definition. Draw an oval around it. Okie dokie. I wish it just said oval on this website. It doesn't. Okay, here we go. Is my oval done? Great. You don't need to put an oval around any of the subfunctions. So some people were worried if what if only one of your, like the two called functions have the math and the main one doesn't? I checked the rubric. You're fine. Nothing to worry about. As long as any of the functions, either the main one or one of the two called functions have math or logic, you're okay. It meets the rubric. Cool. Next step, find your abstraction and draw a rectangle around it. By the way, if you needed to save, like put it around this too, you wanted to include that, fine. You can use the multiple things. You just don't have to. Rectangle, I'm also going to talk about this function as my abstraction. So there we go. Put a rectangle around it. Cool. Now I do click print, destination, save as PDF. So get a click print. You'll probably see a window like this. I think that's regardless of what type of computer you have. It might have a printer. Maybe it has nothing. Save as PDF. Boom. Save it. I did this before, so I'm just going to save it. Create task code. Beautiful. Done. The next thing to do would be to submit it on College Board. So let's do that. So digital portfolio. I added this just now, the website, so you can just follow this link. Digital portfolio. It'll ask you to sign in. You'll probably have to reset your password because you forgot. You know, that's whatever. That's how things go in our digital world. And we are now in the create task. We're done with Explore. That was in January. We have the video, written responses, program code. We just did program code. It'll remind you to mark the oval for the algorithm, the rectangle for the abstraction. And so you'll have a button here that's different from mine to upload, and you can submit final. If you make a mistake, I'll just return it to you. It's not a big deal. When things are done, I'll be able to see them in the progress tab. So I'll be able to check in. You can ask me if it's done, and I'll check it in progress. Good luck, Space Cadets. This is round 1. Bye.